is Musashi Dai. Musashi Dai. So here is a lot of food. Food. This nabi. Chicken. Okay in Tongya. Okay in Tongya. Girl in Shabu Shabu. Shabu Shabu restaurant. Like it only in the Pampangas. Wow, Italian. Tongya. Toya. Tongya. And this is girl Shabu Shabu. And then Italianis. Wow, they have Italianis here. Crazy garlic. So Italianis. We're looking for a food to eat. So it is the greasy garlic. Wow. Boom, roasted. That is only the end. That is only the restaurant.